Have you ever met someone who seemed like the life of every party only they realized that their entire personality changed once one habit disappeared? That exactly what this is classic friend episode explorer, and it does it in one of the funniest ways possible. Today we are talking about the episode where Monica dates Fun Bobby, and guys, everyone absolutely loves. Every time Bobby walks into the apartment, the energy instantly goes up. He is funny, charming, relaxed, and always seems to know how to make everyone laugh. Monica is happier than she is been in months after dealing with unemployment, relationship problems, and feelings stuck in life. Bobby makes her feels excited again. She even starts imagining a real future with him, talking about romantic weekend trips and celebrating their relationship. Everything looks perfect. Meanwhile, the group is hanging out after dinner, and something interesting start to happen. They realize they have gone through an unbelievable amount of wine. At first, everyone assumes they only had one or two glasses, but when they add everything up, they discover that five entire bottles have somehow disappeared. That moment changes the mood completely. The friends begins noticing that Bobby is constantly looking for another drink, whether it's coffee, dessert, or anything else. He always finds a way to add alcohol. The jokes are still funny, but suddenly there is a serious question hiding underneath them. His body is Bobby actually drinking too much? Monica cannot ignore what she is seeing anymore, even though she cares about him. She decided to have an honest conversation instead of pretending everything is fine. Super single Bobby does not get angry. Instead, he admits that other people have maintained the same concern before. He jokes about all the excuses he's made over the years, but for the first time, he seriously considers quitting alcohol. Since Monica means so much to him, he promises he will give it a real try. At first, this feels like a hug relationship victory. Monica believes she helping someone she loves become heather, healthier, but then something unexpected happens. Once Bobby stops drinking, his entire personality seems to disappear. The guys who used to tell hilarious stories suddenly tells long boring stories that go absolutely nowhere. Conversations become awkward. Even the rest of the group struggle to stay interesting while he is talking. One story about searching for a hardware store late at night feel like it lasts forever. Everyone politely listen, but it painful obvious that nobody find entertaining. Now Monica faces a problem she never expected. She misses the version of Bobby that everyone called the fun Bobby. Of course, she feels guilty for even thinking that. She starts blaming herself, wondering if she accidentally changed the person she fell in love with. The rest of the gang try to reassure her. Maybe Bobby was not actually fun because of his personality. Maybe the alcohol simply covered up the fact that he was always kind of boring. Monica did not create a new Bobby, she simply revelated the real one. Then comes one of the funniest twists in the episode. Bobby asks Monica if they can talk privately. Monica immediately assumes he started drinking again and expects a completely different conversation. Instead, Bobby calmly tells her that he thinking she has a drinking problem. It's such a perfect comedy reversal. The person who originally needed help is now worried about Monica because she is constantly drinking while spending time with him. From Bobby's perspective, that she became the one depending on alcohol. He even said that he is not ready for a codependent relationship and dedicated to end things. Just like that, Monica gets dumped by the very person she thought she had saved. It's awkward, unexpected, and incredibly funny. What makes this episode so memorable is not just the joke, it is the way friends mixed comedy with real life situation, addiction, relationship, guilt, and changing for someone you love are all serious topic, but the writers present them with humor instead of making episode feel heavy. Another reason the episode works so well is back because every character contributes to the comedy. Chandler delivers sarcastic one-liner, Joey reacts with perfect timing, Rachel and Phoebe helps highlight how to strange the situation has come, and Ross guilty observes everything with his usual awkward honesty. Their reaction make Bobby's transformation even funnier. The episode also asking the entertaining question without giving a simple answer. If someone changes a habit that has been a part of their identity over year, are they becoming their true self or and becoming someone completely different? That's what makes the story more than just another sitcom episode. By the end, Monica realized that caring about someone does not always mean you are compatible with them. Sometimes people now is different direction, and sometimes removing one problem reveals another. Overall, this is one of the smartest and funniest Monica-centered episode in the friendship blends humor with emotional honesty and deliver one of the so most unforgettable relationship. I did give have episode a solid 9 out of 10. The writing is clever, the jokes still hold up today, and the ending perfectly capture why Friends remain one of the greatest sitcom. And like and subscribe the channel and share his friend. Thank you.